Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Last time we spoke about how to remove videos from your playlist and how to create a new playlist. Today I show you how to edit playlist.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
If you want to edit your playlist, you can go to your YouTube studio. Choose playlist from left menu. And now choose which playlist you want to edit. In my case will be test, earn money, and button on the right, edit. And we are on a playlist view, and here you can edit playlist. So you can change your title using this button. So you can type something, so for example 2012, and push button save. You can change visibility of this playlist from unlisted or private. So I set for now private. You can always change description of this playlist. So here I type 2012 and save. You can of course add a person to collaborate. So you can click on this and set collaboration can add videos to this playlist and allow a new collaboration invitation. So this is additional option. Another option is playlist settings. So you can embed this playlist on a web page using HTML code. Or of course you can add new videos to top of the playlist. So when you add new videos, every time these videos will be on the top. And click done or use advanced settings. And here you have a little more settings. You can set if is our official series for this playlist. Here is some information how it's working. Use these settings for settings of videos uploading to your channel as part of an official series. A video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. YouTube may use this information to modify how the videos are present or discovered. So if you want to put your video to more than one playlist, this can be checked. So think before you set the settings. You can set ordering. So now it's manual, but you can order your video by date add, most popular, date published, newest, oldest, and add option auto add. So you can define rules for videos to automatically add to this playlist. So you can add here some rules. Select by titles, the description by tag. So you can title contents. For example, if you're making some, for example, if you're making vlogs, you can type here something like vlog. And if if you put your video with title where will be content vlog, and this playlist automatically adds this video to this playlist. And I think that's all. If you have any question about how to edit this playlist, please make comments below this video. If you have some question about how to manage your YouTube account, please put this question to the comments below video. I will try explain in comments, or I prepare some video for everybody in our community.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.